Hi guys! Welcome back sa YouTube channel ko. So for today, meron tayong math problem coming from differential equation which has a topic of family of curves. Pero before natin to sagutan, shoutout muna sa lahat ng electrical engineering student ng University College of Parañaque. And galingan nyo palagi mga idolo, future engineers. God bless you always. So ang problem natin is obtain the differential equation of the family of the trisectrices of Maclaurin given by the equation y squared multiplied by a plus x is equal to x squared multiplied by 3a minus x. So the first thing that we have to remember is the number of times we will differentiate will depend to the number of arbitrary constants given in the equation. So notice that in the given equation, we have the a as our arbitrary constant, considering that x and y are the common variables that we use. So for this case, we have one arbitrary constant. That means that we have to differentiate twice. However, if we differentiate it this way, so we will still be left with the variable a. So the suggested method rather is for this equation to obtain the direct differential equation. So we have to solve first for a and then just differentiate, because if we isolate a, we will have a much easier time in solving for the desired differential equation. So how do we solve now, Sir IJ, for the value or for the variable a? So the first thing is we have to distribute. So y squared multiplied by a will give us ay squared, just distribute guys, plus x y squared is equal to 3a x squared minus x cubed. So I hope na hindi po kayo na-confuse. I just distributed yung mga nasa labas. Multiply lang mga idolo. And then, I will now solve for a in terms of the other variables. So, ang gagawin ko, mga Lodi Cakes, is lilipat ko yung x cubed. So, xy squared plus x cubed, and all a's will be isolated on the right side. So, we have 3ax squared minus ay squared. So, lipat natin yun mga idolo. I hope that is clear, ha? Ulitin po ni Sir IJ, I'll repeat. Itong negative x cubed just became positive x cubed on the left-hand side of the equation. Same thing goes for ay squared. It become negative ay squared on the right-hand side of the equation. So we can then swap the two equations, or the two expressions rather. So swapping the left and the right-hand side. So we will have factor a here. So we have a multiplied by 3x squared minus y squared is equal to xy squared plus x cubed. Kahit wag na natin i-factor out mga idolo yung x for this case, kasi ang desired naman natin is we will now solve for the value of a in terms of x and y. So we have a is equal to xy squared plus x cubed all over 3x squared minus y squared. So yan na. So kumbaga, ang ginawa lang natin, we just used formula transformation, or what we have done is we just solve for a in terms of the other variable. We have not performed any differentiations yet. So the number of constants will give us the number of times we will differentiate. So since we have one arbitrary constant, we will differentiate once. That is correct, Lodi Cakes. So i-differentiate na natin both sides. So derivative of constant is 0 equals, applying the quotient rule, u over b. So that is v du minus u dv all over v squared, or that is Lodi high minus high de lo all over lo squared. So alam lang natin dapat yung derivative ng u over v, that is v du. Recap lang tayo mga idolo, minus u dv all over v squared. So ano nang gagawin natin? V du, so we have copy lang natin si denominator multiplied by the derivative of the numerator. Xy squared, ano derivative nito? So we will apply the product rule. So we have x multiplied by ano derivative ng y squared? 2y, y prime. Plus y squared, ano derivative ng x or ij? That is 1. Plus, ano derivative ng x cube mga idolo? That is 3x squared. Okay, sana ayos po tayo dyan mga idolo, ha? Minus. Okay, minus naman yung u dv. So, copy lang natin si numerator, xy squared plus x cubed multiplied by the derivative of the denominator. Derivative ng 3x squared sir ij, that is 6x. Derivative ng y squared sir ij, that is 2y, y prime, all over the square of the denominator. Just don't forget, this is 3x squared minus y squared, quantity squared. However, if we multiply both sides by this expression, so if you will multiply both sides, parang nilipat mo na siya sa kabila, minultiply mo to doon, 0 times this one will give you 0. Or you just use bracket here and then just multiply everything by 3x squared minus y squared, 1t squared. Or multiply mo lang agad. So ito na mga Lodi Cakes, 0 equals, dahan-dahan lang kasi you have to be careful with the expressions and the multiplications and the operations na gagamitin nyo. 3x squared minus y squared multiplied by 2xyy prime. Dahan-dahan lang mga idolo ha. Huwag pong magpapalito. Plus y squared plus 3x squared mga idolo. Okay po? Minus, eto di ba? So pwede na natin tong siguro i-distribute mga Lodi Cakes. Kasi ito, nire-write ko pa lang naman. Ito pwede na natin i-distribute first, outer, inner, and then last. xy squared times 6x. So that is ano sir IJ? 6x squared y squared. First, outer, xy squared times negative 2yy prime. So that will give you negative 2xy cubed y prime. And then inner, so we have x cubed times 6x. So that is plus 6x to the fourth mga idolo. And then last, x cubed times negative 2yy prime. Negative 2x cubed y prime. Equal 0 na yan mga idolo. Okay, so we have 0 equal, simplify po natin ito. So siguro ang pinaka-best na pag-simplify nito is isa-isahin natin. Ito muna yung unahin natin. Ito. Tapos yung negative y squared. Distribute muna natin yung 3x squared. 3x squared times 2xyy prime. So we have sir IJ 6x cubed y prime. 3x squared times y squared, that is mga Lodi Cakes. That is 3x squared y squared sir IJ. 3x squared times 3x squared. Okay, that is correct. Plus 9x to the fourth. Okay, and then ito na yung negative y squared naman. Negative y squared times 2xyy prime. So we have negative 2xy cubed y prime. Okay guys, wag po kayo malilito. Dahan-dahan lang po. Napaka-importante po na wag po kayo magmadali. Negative y squared times y squared, negative y to the fourth, negative y squared times 3x squared, that is negative 3x squared y squared, mga idolo. Okay po? Minus, eto na. Minus, i-distribute na natin to mga Lodi Cakes. Minus 6x squared y squared, negative, plus 2x y cubed y prime, minus 6x to the fourth. Dinistribute lang po ni Sir IJ, wag po malilito. Negative times negative, that's 2x cubed y prime. Let's see if we can cancel. 3x squared y squared, 3x squared y squared, cancel. 9x to the fourth minus 6x to the fourth will give us 3x to the fourth. Okay, mga Lodi Cakes, 3x to the fourth. May mga cancel pa ba? Negative 2xy cubed plus 2xy cubed y prime, cancel to mga idolo. Okay? So, unahin muna natin yung mga walang y prime, mga idolo. Ano pa yung mga walang y prime? Etong 9x to the fourth, na subtract na natin dito. Etong negative 6x squared y squared, mga Lodi Cakes, wala siyang kapartner na, no? Okay, so minus 6x squared y squared. Tapos itong mga Lodi Cakes, yung y to the fourth, wala din kapartner. So minus y to the fourth. So yan yung puro walang y prime. How about yung may y prime, Sir IJ? So 6x cubed, 6x cubed y prime, mayroon tayo ditong 2x cubed y prime. So 6 plus 2, so that is plus 8x cubed y prime equals, equal 0 na pala yan. So wait lang, ito negative 6x squared y squared, ito na yan, 6x cubed y prime, ito yung 2x cubed y prime, okay? So wala na tayong nakulangan guys. So ito na yung magiging final answer natin. Or ipagsinulat natin in mas maayos na form, so we have 3x to the fourth minus 6x squared y squared minus y to the fourth plus 8x cubed mga idolo y prime equals 0. Ito na yung final answer natin. Kaya lang minsan maarte yung prof nyo, gustong dy tsaka dx. Ito kasing y prime, dy over dx, lipat mo lang siya dito. Pwede rin yung sagot mo ganito, 3x to the fourth minus 6x squared y squared minus y to the fourth dx plus 8x cubed y dy equals 0. And this is also considered correct. So yun guys, sana kahit paano na-refresh ko kayo sa differential equations And if you have questions or clarifications with regards to our process, feel free to comment on to ask your questions on the comment section. And thank you so much to those who keep on supporting our channel. I hope you all the best. Bye-bye and God bless.